Let's talk about the Marco Island real estate market and what July looked like. Marco Island had a noticeable summer slowdown in July. There are roughly 60 home and condo sales compared to about 96 in June. There are also around 400 residential properties for sale right now. So that gives buyers time and negotiating room. But Marco Island is not a market that you can understand from one number. The median asking price is around 900,000, while the median sold price is closer to 850,000. Buyers are clearly comparing properties carefully, especially when they see older finishes, higher carrying costs, insurance questions, or possible assessments coming up. Marco is its own thing, right? You really cannot rate it the same like you would Naples or Bonita Estero. Naples offer more neighborhoods, restaurants, and year-round activity. Bonita and Estero can offer lower entry points. Marco attracts someone who specifically wants the island living, boating, beach access, or second home lifestyle. This is why the details matter so much here. A direct access waterfront home with a newer seawall, a good dock, and quick boating access is totally different conversation from an inland home. The buyers may pay a premium for that setup, but they're also thinking about insurance, maintenance, elevation, and of course, future replacement costs as needed. So the condo market is even more specific. Two units in the same building can have very different values based on the floor, view, renovation, reserves, assessments, storm history, and of course, rental rules. A beachfront buyer may care most about the view and the beach access. A boater is going to focus on bridge clearance, water depth, and time to the Gulf. An investor is going to look at rental restrictions, carrying costs, and income potential. That is why broad island averages only tell a part of the story. So for my buyers out there, the slower pace is very helpful. So you have time to compare properties, ask better questions, and not rush past the details. That's especially important in Marco, where a seawall issue, an insurance surprise, or a condo assessment can change the numbers very quickly for you. And for my sellers out there, the buyers still want the Marco Island lifestyle, but they're not going to ignore an ambitious price, deferred maintenance, or any unanswered questions. So the properties getting the strongest attention are the ones with a clear advantage, better water access, a strong view, better condition, or a more realistic price. So the overall story is not that Marco Island is weak. It's that the market is selective. Buyers have more leverage than they did a few years ago, and the sellers have to show why their property is worth choosing over all the alternatives. So if you're considering a home, a condo, waterfront property in Marco Island, please reach out to us. We can help you compare the options and understand the details that actually affect value. My name is Felipe Miranda with the Miranda Procopio Group. Again, please call us. We're always ready to help you.